Welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm making a one-pan spicy tofu that's simple, fast, and full of flavor. The tofu is lightly crispy on the outside, soft on the inside, and the heat from the chili builds slowly, not all at once. If you think tofu is usually bland, or you want an easy one-pan dish that works perfectly with rice or noodles, this recipe is for you. No complicated steps, no extra pans, everything comes together in one pan. Add a little salt to the pan first. It helps keep the tofu from sticking. You can season with pepper salt, or keep it simple with salt and black pepper. Add a splash of soy sauce. And that's it, a simple one-pan spicy tofu. It's bold, but balanced, spicy, but still clean and comforting. This is the kind of dish you can make on a busy day, and still feel satisfied after the first bite. If you enjoyed this one-pan recipe, give the video a like and consider subscribing for more easy, everyday meals. I'll see you in the next video.